a cardiologist guide to lowering high blood pressure and iron elevation. Self-published. Good afternoon, everyone. I wrote a cardiologist's guide to lowering high blood pressure with the millions of hypertensive Filipinos in mind. To offer practical and evidence-based advice, written in a clear and concise way, for them to understand high blood pressure and its complications, know which lifestyle changes work, learn about the various drugs used for treatment, assume a proactive role in their management, and take charge of their overall health. I would like to thank the National Book Development Board and the esteemed judges of the Manila Critic Circle for recognizing the value and impact of my book. I also acknowledge my wife, Clyde, for the constant encouragement as I relentlessly worked on my book during the dark years of the pandemic. Most importantly, I offer this honor to God, from whom all goodness comes. Thank you very much. Now we will announce the winner of the